Welcome to PSLE Maths, where you find solutions to PSLE math problems. Please subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon for notification. Thank you. Let's look at an interesting question from Town on Primary School. This is a 2019 essay 1 paper. It's a 5-mark question, question number 16. It was asked by one of our subscribers. Isabella saved 2 coins in her new piggy bank each day. Each coin was either a 20-cent coin or a 50-cent coin. Her father also helped by putting in a $1 coin in her piggy bank every 7 days. The total amount of money in the piggy bank after 196 days was $137.90. How many coins were there in the piggy bank altogether? How many of the coins were 20-cent coin? So, Isabella has been putting in coins into her piggy bank and she has been putting in 2 coins each day for 196 days, which makes it a total of 392 coins. And her father has been putting in 1 coin every 7 days. So, in 196 days, he would have put in 28 coins. So, that's a total of 392 plus 28 is 420 coins. That's the answer for first part of the question. Now the piggy bank has $1 coins, 50 cents and 20-cent coins. We are going to find out how many 20-cent coins are there. So we are going to do this using assumption method. First, her father has put in only $1 coins and we know he has put in 28 coins. So that would be a total of $28. So let's remove them from the $137.90, which is the total value of the money in the piggy bank. So the remaining is $109.90. So this now consists of both 50-cent coins and 20-cent coins. So in assumption method, we are going to assume that all the coins are 50-cent coins. Since we are going to find out how many 20-cent coins are there, we are going to assume everything to be 50-cent coins. So we know that the total number of coins what Isabella has put is 392. If everything is 50-cent coins, that would be a total of $196. 392 times 50 cents is $196. So if we see how much more it is compared to $109.90, it is $86.10 more. So what do we do now? Remove one 50-cent coin and replace it with a 20-cent coin. What happens? The total value of the money would reduce by 30 cents because the difference between 50 cent and 20 cent is 30 cents. So by replacing one 50-cent coin by one 20-cent coin, the total number of coins still remain the same, but the value of the money goes down by 30 cents. So what happens when we replace one more coin, 50-cent coin by a 20-cent coin? The value of the money further goes down by another 30 cents. But the total number of coins still remains the same. But we now know that from $196 we have to bring down the total value to $109.90. We need to reduce the total value by $86.10 because that's what is more. And each coin replacement will reduce the value by 30 cents. So how many times do we have to replace? How many 50-cent coins do we have to replace by 20-cent coins? $86.10 divided by 30 cents is 287. So 287 coins, what we assumed initially to be all 50 cents, have to be replaced by 20-cent coins. So those many 20-cent coins and the remaining of the 392 or 50 cents coins, the total value would be exactly $109.90. So now we got the answer for part B of the question. That is 287 of the coins are 20-cent coins. Hope you like this video. Please subscribe to this channel for more problem sums. If you have a specific question that you would like to see a video on, please post it in the comment section. Thank you.